Welcome. I'm Jason Day. I am a product designer at Atomic Robot and wanted to walk you through how to make this progress line bar. Pretty simple little progress bar. It just kind of slowly fills up or quickly fills up, I guess, depending on what step your users are involved with, whether it's something loading or they're just have a step in a form they're filling out. Let's go ahead and get into it, and we'll start by making a little section here, and we'll call it, I guess, just line progress bar for now, right? So, cool. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them, all right? And the reason why I just did these 8 just kind of helps kind of slowly fill up. You don't have to do this many. Maybe we'll cut it down to 4 or 6. Anyhow, let's go ahead and jump on in. So L, get your line in there, and we're just going to start with the background, right? So let's pull up our toolbars here, Command period. You can make those appear and disappear. All right, and we're just doing our stroke. We want rounded edges for both sides, right? And then let's fill it up with like a gray color. There we go. And now we're going to duplicate that, and just for naming sakes, we can call this background, and let's duplicate it, and we're going to call this one something else. Let's do complete, right? Because that's what's going to be complete. Okay, so let's just do that. And right now, let's grab these. And I think what I did up top was I put these in a frame because it was acting kind of funky as just like a line by itself. So I'm going to frame both of these, and we're going to call it progress bar for now. I should say line, but that's okay. So the reason why I did the frame too is because we can adjust the size of the frame. I thought we could. All right, let's try this. Haha, tricked you, Figma. Oh, I thought I tricked you. There we go. I'm holding down Command to like adjust those outlines, and you kind of want to put these frames around it because you want it to, like, when you have other elements on the page, you want it to respond accurately. So Option Command K, let's make that a component, and we can just make another one here, just like that. We'll call that one 2. We'll call this one 1. Okay, and so all we're going to do is pretty simple. I hold down Shift, and we can just kind of move that forward just a little bit. And let's make another one. We'll call that 3, and we'll grab this. We'll pull that out like there, and maybe, let's see here. All right, boom, and we'll call that 4, and we'll just grab that. And then it looks like we're going to have about 5. That'll be fine. Okay, so now we just do that guy right there. And what I didn't do, hold on, let's go back. Let's select all these because we need to make sure that these progress bars are responsive. So we're going to grab this little constraint tool right there. I'm not going to make it so that the complete part goes left to right, and I'll show you why. Because didn't do that right, did I? Here we go. Option to right, and so now this. I just don't want to grab this one when I'm pulling it open wide. So, and this is a very, very simple progress bar to make. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to prototype it, make it an interactive component. And we can grab this, move it here, move it there, move it everywhere, but we're not moving it everywhere, are we? Okay, so now let's just select all these. Okay, and we're going to edit these so that they are after delay. Let's do 2400, and 1200 should be fine. All right, and that's it. So now we can give ourselves a little iPhone 14. I guess they're pretty large devices, but anyway, here we go. And let's just bop this guy right inside of here. All right, and Oh, it's easy to grab these when it's not in prototype mode. So here we go. All right, so that's it. Let's see if it works. I might see. This is why I should have made these individual components, because I feel like this magnet color is a little bit too dark. So let's change the color to 200. Yeah, I like that. And then if we go to our background here, I did not change the name of that. Shame on me. Oh, man. Okay, so we don't want any variant 5s. There we go. All right, so let's give it a go. Prototype, here we come. Add a starting point. Let's call it progress line. Boom. And hit the play button. And let's see if we have any magic. Oh, yeah. Load on up. Download my file or complete my form. Come on, get to the end. It's a race to the finish. What do y'all think? Super easy. Why did it go off the page like that? What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. You always do something wrong. Interesting. I must not have done something right. I'm not sure what it did there. I'm not sure why it went off the page. Oh, maybe it's because this isn't done. I don't know. Let's hit refresh and see what happened. If it goes off the page again, I'm not sure what I did wrong. Don't go off the page. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, you went off the page. I would like to teach y'all what I did wrong here. I wonder if it's because that must be it. It's always like the tiniest details where you get things wrong, you know? Like it just can never be like right the first time. You gotta make mistakes until it just, there it is. So that last one there, it needs to be the same as the background. Otherwise, it just kept going for whatever reason. I'm not sure what Figma mystery we solved, but anyway, we got it together. Anyway, I kind of rambled there a bit with my little boo-boo, but I hope you learned a little bit of something. But thanks for hopping in and checking out this little loading progress bar. Hope you have a super fantastic, wonderful day. Peace.